might think that rainforests and trees are the primary source of oxygen on Earth, but the ocean is responsible for over 50% of the oxygen produced. The ocean is home to phytoplankton, which act in a similar way that trees do, taking in carbon dioxide and expelling oxygen. They are one of the tiniest beings on the planet, but one of the most important to have around, keeping us alive. In many ways, the sea also regulates our climate. It soaks up the heat from the sun and transports warm water from the equator to the poles, and cold water from the poles to the tropics. Without these currents, the weathers would be extreme in some regions, and fewer places would be habitable. It is also able to regulate rain and droughts, holding 97% of the water of our planet. Almost all rain that drops on land comes from the sea. And the ocean absorbs CO2 to keep the carbon cycle, and accordingly temperatures on Earth in balance. It is like our global climate.
Okay, but seriously, does anyone actually care about this? The entire world is falling apart and there's something we can do about it, but we're not? The ocean was on fire. What the fuck is that about? The ocean on fire! That made news only for like 3 days. There are hardly any normal days where you're not either burning up, freezing cold, or about to be blown away by the wind. This is not normal. How do people not believe in climate change when it's happening right in front of your fucking eyes? Are we gonna move to Mars? Am I gonna be able to have children? Are we all gonna die from some climate disaster? And for what? The convenience of plastic products and businesses who produce excess carbon just to pump out a product? Sure, that's nice, but not nice enough to completely destroy the planet we live on. This shit will be irreversible soon. Irreversible. Then what? What the fuck do we do then? Huh? What do we do? Fuck. Just sit and wait for an inevitable death? Fuck. Working our silly little jobs that make us unhappy just to afford housing that's far more expensive than it should be? Humans could have chosen any fucking path and we chose this! Damn. Just fucking think about that.